Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jewel Obed. I'm a counseling psychology student and I'm passionate about cooking, so I share different recipes that I prepare in my kitchen. Today you're going to be making a banana mango smoothie or mango banana smoothie. We're going to be using mangoes and bananas to create a smoothie. I hope you enjoy the video. The ingredients we are going to be using are mango, 3 bananas and milk. If you have ice cubes, that is also a plus. You will wash your fruits and then start chopping them, and this is what you see me doing here. You will chop them and prepare them for blending. Then you will add the fruits into the blender. You will add your milk and ice cubes if you do have them, and for more sweetness you can add sugar or honey and then blend it. Finally, your smoothie is ready. You're going to serve it and enjoy.